How to make WhatsApp poll vote. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open WhatsApp application on your browser or application on your PC or mobile and make sure to log into your account. After that, from the chat section, open a particular group where you want to make a WhatsApp poll vote. Now after that, click on paperclip icon next to type a message and click on poll. Create a questions. So let me ask, what is your favorite movie? You can even add emoji as well by clicking on this emoji icon. And after that, here is the option you can add different options. So you can ask any question according to your choice. You can check mark allow multiple answers as well. If you don't want, you can uncheck it as well. And after that, click on this arrow at bottom right once you are done creating a poll. And after that, the members from this group will easily vote for this poll, and then you can easily view who voted for which option. So in this way, you can easily make a poll vote on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.